Okay, today we're here at Knott's Farm for the Boysenberry Festival, and I actually found something that isn't on the tasting card or on any of the a la carte listings for Boysenberry Festival. This is at Coaster Shiner, and it's a Boysenberry Cobbler, and this is $10, but you're just kind of buys. So let me try this out. You can see the boysenberries right there. Yeah, if you like cobbler, this is good. Kind of like a deconstructed boysenberry pie. And it was in a pan, so she just took it's like an ice cream scoop. She scooped it and put it in, scooped it and put it in. This one actually really is good. So let me see. I'm going to give this one, maybe I'll give it an A+. Very, very boysenberry. Obviously, most of this is boysenberries. Just a little bit of the crust part. So, and it was warm too, which is very nice. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And click on all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.